Students of class 3, today we will do another revision of chapter 2. In today's revision we will do ascending and descending order. Okay, we will do two sums of ascending order and two sums of descending order. Then I will show you today's homework. So let's start the class. Everyone get ready with your math CW copy and the pencil, and we will do the sums in the CW copy. Let's see what are the sums. Now, the first question is arrange in ascending order. What does ascending order means? Ascending order means arranging the numbers that are given from the smallest number to the largest one. So, using the less than sign, we will arrange the numbers in ascending order. Let's see how we are doing it. What are the numbers given? 68,15,267, 73,23,586, 9,70,855, 68,10,780. Now, first we have to identify which one is the smallest number. Among this, everyone is having the lakhs place, so we will check the lakhs place only first. 68 lakh, 73 lakh, 9 lakh, 68 lakh. So this 68, 73 is much larger than this two. 9 lakh is the smallest among all. So 9,70,855 is the smallest number. We will write that first. 9,70,855. Then we will put one less than sign. Okay. Next, this one is gone. Rest three numbers are there. Among these three, which one is the smallest? 68 lakh, 68 lakh, 73 lakh. That means within this two, any one is small. Which one? We have to check the thousand place now. 15,000, 10,000. So 10,000 is small. That means this number is small among these three. So we will write this number 68 lakh 10,780. Next, this number is gone. Only these two are left. So we will put one less than sign first. Among these two, this one is 68 lakh, this one is 73 lakh. That means this one is smaller than this. So we will write this number 68 lakh 15,267. After that we will put again one less than sign, and this number is gone. Only this number is left, so this one is the largest among all. So we will write that number directly. 73 lakh 23,586. Clear, I think, everyone, this first sum. Let's do the next ascending order sum. Let us read the question first. 3,07,256, 7,27,256, 37,26,378, 37,24,930. So among this, all the numbers are having the lakhs place. 3 lakh, 3 lakh, 37 lakh, 37 lakh. That means two 3 lakh numbers are there, two 37 lakh numbers are there. So the smallest number will be among these two. How to check? As the lakhs place are same, we will check the thousand place. 7,000 over here, 27,000 over here. Obviously this one is smallest. So we will write that number directly. 3 lakh 7,256. After that put a less than sign. Next, another 3 lakh is there. That means that will be the second smallest number among these three. 3,27,256. Again put one less than sign. Next 37 lakh, 37 lakh. We will check the thousand place now. 26,024. Obviously this one is small among these two. 37 lakh 24,930. After that we will put one less than sign. After that only one number is left, that is this one. So this one will be the largest among the four numbers. That is the last number of the order. 37 lakh 26,378. This is the ascending order of these given numbers. I think the ascending order is clear now. Let's move to the descending order. Descending order means to arrange the numbers from the larger value to the smaller value, and greater than sign is used in writing the descending order of the number. Let's see what are the questions. 94,28,752, 90,43,157, 49,43,418, 40,28,781. So in the descending order we have to find the largest among the numbers. This is the rule to follow. Now among these four, which one is the largest? All the places numbers are having the lakhs place. 94 lakh, 90 lakh, 49 lakh, 40 lakh. So which number is the largest? This 94 lakhs is the largest. So we will write that first. 94 lakh 28,752. This one is the largest number. Leaving this number, three numbers are left. After putting the greater than sign, we will check which one is the large number among these three numbers. 90 lakh, 49 lakh, 40 lakh. Obviously this 90 lakh is the largest among these three. So 90 lakh 43,157. Again put one greater than sign. Now remaining these two numbers, among these two numbers, which one is the large? 49 lakh or 40 lakh? Obviously this number is the larger one among the two. So 49 lakh 43,418. After that put one greater than sign. Only one number is left, that is the smallest among the four number. So we will write that 40 lakh 28,781. I think descending order is clear now. Another sum we will do in the descending order. Let's see the question. What is the question? 60 lakh 54,831, 1 lakh 28,128, 30 lakh 58,413, 6 crore 11 lakh 25,413. Now which one is the largest? This three number is having the lakhs place, but this number is having the crore place, 6 crore. Obviously this number is the largest among these four. So we will write that number first. 6 crore 11 lakh 25,413. After that put one greater than sign. Then among these three, which one is the largest? We have to check. 60 lakh, 60 lakh, and this is 1 lakh. Obviously this one is small, so we will keep that beside. Among these two, 60 lakh, we have to check which one is the larger. Check the thousand place. 54,058. Obviously this 58,000 number is large, so we will write that 60 lakh 58,413. After that put one greater than sign. Now among these two are left, these two are done. This two, this one is 60 lakh, this one is 1 lakh. Obviously this number is large among these two. So 60 lakh 54,831. After that put one greater than sign, and only this number is left, that is the smallest among the numbers. So we will write that 1,28,123. This is the CW work of today. Two sums we have done of ascending order, 2 sums we have done of descending order. Now let us see today's HW work. This is today's HW work, page 155, question number 3 and 4. Do in the math CW copy. Okay, this is the self-assessment page over there, question number 3 and 4. You have to do it in the maths CW copy. This 3 is the ascending order sum and the 4 is the descending order sum. Please go through it, and I think you can do it on your own. Okay, today's CW work we have done 2 ascending order sum and 2 descending order sum. Following that CW, 2 HW sum I have given you regarding ascending order 1 and another also the descending order. So everyone will finish the CW work in the math CW copy. After that, the HW is from the book self-assessment. You will do that in the math CW copy after finishing the CW work. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. After finishing the work, the CW and HW work, please send it to the dpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. Okay, don't forget to send it, and stay at home, do your work, stay healthy. Bye bye.